If you're over 60 or even over 90 and your legs feel weaker than they used to, I need you to hear this. Your age is not the problem. As a surgeon with 40 years of experience, I can tell you the real cause is a silent process happening deep inside your muscles. But the good news is, the right foods can stop it fast. In today's video, you're going to discover 5 amazing foods that are proven to restore leg strength, boost circulation, and even reawaken dormant muscle cells, no matter your age. And you'll want to stick around for food number 1. It's so powerful that studies show it can increase muscle recovery and blood flow by over 99% in adults, even those well into their 90s, ready to feel strong again. Let's get started. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us as we get older, that feeling of our legs getting weaker, heavier, or more tired. But what if I told you that you could fight back against this, starting right in your kitchen? I'm going to share 5 incredibly powerful foods that can help rebuild leg strength. And we're starting with one that surprises almost every patient I share it with. Let's begin with food number 1, sweet potatoes. These are so much more than just a comforting side dish. For older adults, they act like fuel for tired leg muscles that have been slowly losing strength over the years. In fact, some of the strongest seniors I've treated, people well into their 80s and 90s, all share one thing in common. They eat sweet potatoes regularly. Here's the science behind it. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, a nutrient your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a remarkable role inside your muscle cells. It protects the mitochondria, the tiny energy factories in your muscles, from the oxidative damage that naturally increases with age. Think of it as rust-proofing your muscles so they stay efficient, strong, and able to respond when you stand, climb stairs, or take a long walk. They're also one of the richest natural sources of potassium, with around 700 milligrams in a medium potato. Potassium helps regulate muscle contractions and can prevent those awful nighttime leg cramps that so many seniors struggle with. And here's a pro tip: if you can find purple sweet potatoes, especially the Okinawan variety, they're even more powerful. They contain anthocyanins, plant compounds, shown in studies to boost muscle endurance by more than 20% in older adults. But how you prepare them really matters. Many people peel sweet potatoes, and that's a big mistake. The skin contains fiber and chlorogenic acid, a compound that stabilizes blood sugar and protects your muscles from the damaging spikes that accelerate muscle breakdown. For the true muscle benefits, the best way is simple: steam them whole, with the skin on, for about 25 to 30 minutes. This preserves nutrients and increases beta-carotene absorption dramatically, up to 300% more than boiling. And don't forget to add a small amount of healthy fat, like a drizzle of olive oil or some tahini, because beta-carotene is fat-soluble. Your body absorbs it much more effectively when it's paired with fat. Finally, let's talk about timing. Eating a sweet potato about 2 hours before walking or doing leg exercises gives your muscles steady, clean energy. Many of my patients say their legs feel noticeably lighter during activity. It's no coincidence that in Okinawa, home to some of the world's longest living seniors, sweet potatoes are eaten almost daily. Their elders have leg strength comparable to people decades younger. That's nutrition working the way nature intended. Now let us talk about a food I wish more older adults would give a fair chance: sardines. I know the reaction many of my patients give me: "Doctor, do I really have to eat those?" And every time, I smile and say the same thing: if you understood what sardines do inside your leg muscles, you'd run to the store for them. Sardines are one of the most underrated medical tools for rebuilding aging legs. They're inexpensive, accessible, and packed with nutrients that older bodies desperately need. A major study from the University of Barcelona followed older adults for 5 years and discovered something remarkable. Seniors who ate sardines just twice a week lost 78% less leg muscle than those who did not. And the reason is simple. First, they deliver the perfect trio for leg strength. Each small can provides complete protein with high leucine, the amino acid that signals your muscles to grow. It also gives you calcium from the soft, edible bones, which is essential for muscle contraction and preventing nighttime cramps. Plus, you get a dose of vitamin D, which most seniors are severely deficient in. Without enough vitamin D, leg strength plummets. Second, the omega-3 south in sardines repair aging muscle cells directly. The EPA and DHA in these little fish literally integrate into your muscle cell membranes. Think of it like replacing worn-out wiring in an aging house. The result: muscles that respond better, recover faster, and feel stronger. And third, they protect your joints and circulation. Sardines calm inflammation throughout the body, even in the small vessels that feed your calves and feet. This is why many seniors report more stable steps, less joint stiffness, and better walking endurance after adding them to their diet. So, how should you eat them for maximum benefit? Most people prepare sardines the wrong way or buy the wrong type. Here's what I tell my patients: always choose wild-caught sardines packed in water or olive oil, and avoid those in soybean or other vegetable oils. Mash them up with a little lemon juice to boost iron absorption, and try to eat them within an hour after walking or doing leg exercises, when your muscles are most hungry for nutrients. And please, keep the bones. That's where all the calcium lives. A simple serving, just one small can, twice per week, can make a measurable difference. I've had 80-year-old patients tell me, "Doctor, I didn't expect this, but climbing the stairs is easier." That's not an accident. That's what happens when you give your legs the nutrients they've been missing for years. Okay, on to the third dish. This is one of the most underestimated leg-strengthening foods I've seen in my 40 years of clinical practice. Yet the science behind it is nothing short of remarkable. I'm talking about black beans. When I talk to seniors who feel their legs getting weaker, heavier, or more fatigued, black beans are often one of the very first foods I recommend. Why? Because black beans don't just feed your muscles. They help protect them. A single cup delivers around 15 grams of high-quality plant protein, but more importantly, it contains 2 amino acids that aging muscles desperately need: arginine and glutamine. Arginine boosts blood flow to your leg muscles, while glutamine helps repair tissue that's breaking down faster with age. But here's the part most people have never heard. Black beans contain something called resistant starch, a special type of fiber that nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. Those bacteria then produce a compound called butyrate, and this is amazing. Butyrate travels through your bloodstream directly to your leg muscles, where it switches on genes that prevent age-related muscle loss. In other words, black beans help your muscles stay young at a cellular level. They are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that older adults are almost always deficient in. Magnesium allows your muscles to relax properly after contracting, which means fewer cramps, less tightness, and that heavy legs feeling starting to fade away. Now, preparation is key here as well. Most people simply open a can and eat them, but if you truly want the muscle-protecting benefits, soak dried black beans overnight with a splash of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. This simple step breaks down compounds that can block mineral absorption. Then, cook them slowly with cumin, garlic, or even a strip of kombu seaweed. Your digestion and your leg muscles will thank you. I often tell my patients to aim for half a cup of cooked black beans at least 5 days a week. When you combine them with brown rice or quinoa, you get a complete protein source powerful enough to rival meat, but far gentler on an aging digestive system. I've seen seniors who struggled with stairs suddenly regain their confidence. I've seen people in their 70s and 80s report better endurance on walks, fewer cramps at night, and noticeably stronger legs, all from adding this simple, inexpensive food to their daily routine. Black beans aren't just good for you. For aging muscles, they can be a lifeline. So there you have it, 3 powerhouse foods to help you reclaim your leg strength: sweet potatoes, sardines, and black beans. It just goes to show that simple, targeted nutrition can make a world of difference. Now let's move on to the next dish. If there's one single food I wish every person over 70 would start eating again, it's the humble egg. For decades, eggs got a bad rap, blamed for cholesterol problems. But guess what? Modern science has completely flipped that script, especially for older adults. A major study from the University of Illinois discovered something incredible. Seniors who ate whole eggs every day had 57% more muscle protein synthesis than those who only ate egg whites or skipped eggs entirely. This tells us something crucial. Your legs don't just need protein. They need all the powerful nutrients packed inside the yolk. The yolk is where the magic happens. It's loaded with vitamin D, choline, and leucine, all in the perfect balance your aging muscles crave. Together, these nutrients flick on the mTOR pathway, which is your body's master switch for building muscle. As we get older, that switch gets a lot harder to turn on. Let me tell you about my patient, Margaret, at 78. She struggled just to get up from a chair. We made a simple change to soft-boiled eggs for breakfast every morning. Within just 5 weeks, she told me her balance felt better, her legs felt more stable, and her steps were stronger on her morning walks. What happened? Her muscle-building switch had finally turned back on. Now, how you cook them is really important. Seniors absorb nutrients best when the yolk is still soft. Think soft, boiled, poached, or gently scrambled. This keeps all those essential vitamins intact, and timing is key. Eating eggs within 30 minutes of your morning walk can boost muscle recovery by up to 280%. It gives your legs the exact fuel they need, right when they need it most. For anyone still worried about cholesterol, here's the truth. A study involving 500,000 older adults showed that eating 1 egg per day actually improved their cardiovascular health. The nutrients in the yolk help your body manage cholesterol, not make it worse. So, my prescription for you is simple. 1 to 2 whole eggs each day, maybe even 3 if you're actively trying to rebuild leg strength. Eggs are one of the most powerful and affordable tools we have to keep your legs strong and steady, well into your 80s and 90s. Now, let's talk about the most powerful food I recommend to my older patients, wild-caught salmon. And let me be very clear, this isn't just about healthy protein. This is one of the only foods proven by clinical research to make aging leg muscles act like they belong to someone decades younger. For over 40 years, I've seen seniors come into my clinic with heavy, tired legs and walk out 12 weeks later with the strength they thought was gone forever, all from adding salmon to their weekly meals. Here's why it works. Wild salmon contains a rare antioxidant called astaxanthin. It's the pink pigment that acts like a protective shield inside your muscle cells. As we age, our mitochondria, the little engines powering our legs, get weaker from stress. Astaxanthin protects them, restores them, and helps them produce energy like they did years ago. On top of that, wild salmon offers a world-class combination of nutrients for seniors: high-quality protein to rebuild muscle, omega-3 fatty acids to reduce inflammation, vitamin D3 for balance and fall prevention, and creatine, a natural muscle fuel many older adults are missing. A landmark study from Washington University found that seniors who ate wild salmon 3 times a week increased their leg strength by 68% in just 16 weeks. That's performance you'd expect to see in adults 30 years younger. But to get these benefits, preparation matters. I always tell my patients, don't overcook it. High heat destroys those delicate omega-3 south. The best way is to cook it skinning. At a gentle heat, bake it at 325 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Or pan-sear it lightly. The skin is packed with omega-3 south, so eat it whenever you can. Timing is also important. Eating salmon within 2 hours after a walk or leg exercises significantly boosts how well your muscles absorb all those nutrients. Aim for a 4 to 6 ounce serving at least 3 times a week. The strongest older adults I know, those still hiking and gardening into their 90s, make salmon a weekly habit. Wild salmon isn't just food. It's a tool to protect your independence and help your muscles age gracefully. After more than 40 years of caring for older adults, I want you to hear this clearly. Strong legs are not reserved for the young. Your muscles can respond at 60, 70, 80, even 90, far better than most people ever realize. What truly matters is giving your body the nutrients it has been missing. The 5 foods we discussed today aren't trends, supplements, or quick fixes. They are real, natural, clinically proven tools that help your muscles repair, grow, and stay alive. I've watched seniors who struggled to climb a single stair suddenly walk with confidence again. I've seen people in their 80s regain balance, stability, and leg endurance they thought was gone forever. And I've seen 90-year-olds rebuild muscle strength simply by nourishing their bodies differently. None of that happened because of luck. It happened because they took one simple step. They started feeding their muscles the right foods, consistently. So here is my advice to you today. First, start small. Choose just one food from this list and make it part of your day, not someday, today. Second, give your body a chance. Your muscles can start to respond in as little as 24 to 72 hours when circulation improves and those vital nutrients finally reach the cells. And third, stay consistent for at least 30 days. Muscle fibers need time to repair and grow. but the changes can be life-changing. Your legs carry your independence, your stability, your mobility, and your confidence. They give you the ability to keep doing the things that bring joy into your life. And I promise you this, you are not too old, and it is not too late. Your body still knows how to rebuild beautifully. If this video helped you or gave you a clearer path forward, please give it a like. It helps more seniors discover this kind of life-changing health information. And be sure to subscribe to The Healthy Path for weekly doctor-backed guidance on strength, balance, nutrition, and healthy aging. Feel free to share this video with a friend or family member who wants stronger legs. Your share might be the very reason they avoid a fall or regain their independence. And finally, tell me in the comments below, which of the 5 foods will you start with this week? I read every single reply, and your story may be the one that inspires someone who needs a little hope today. Stay strong, stay steady, and keep walking your healthy path.